Hi friends, it's the
Suitcase teachers.
Can you guess where we've taken you for the letter H? Look at these big, beautiful animals behind us. They are
Horses.
Because H says
As in horse.
Let's do that together.
H says as in horse. Oh, Miss Steph, these are the most beautiful animals.
They are.
They're so majestic and big and beautiful.
They are.
I love it. Let's learn some cool things about horses while we're here.
I'm excited to learn some about them.
Okay, so I did learn, actually, Miss Steph and I learned a lot, reading up about this and trying to find some interesting facts about horses.
We did.
We did. We actually learned more than we've ever known about horses. And one of them is that horses can actually sleep standing up.
Yeah, can you imagine if we tried to sleep standing up?
I mean, sometimes I'm so tired, I want to sleep standing up, but our bodies would just fall over.
Yeah, eventually we'd fall over.
Yeah.
Have you ever just been sitting up and you're so tired that you feel yourself just kind of leaning to the side?
No, they can sleep standing up. And part of that is just to help them if they were in danger or with enemies, they're not looking like they're on the ground and sleeping.
To help protect them.
Yeah.
Wow.
I know.
They are so pretty. I just keep hearing them move
around.
At them. Yeah.
They're so pretty.
That is wild.
Yeah.
Well, I did find out too that, you know, how we breathe, we can breathe through our nose and our mouth.
We do.
And a lot of times when we have a cold and our nose is stopped up, we breathe through our mouth.
We do.
But horses only breathe through their nose.
Wow. Once again, I did not know that.
Yeah, and I wonder if they get colds or what they do when they get a cold.
I don't know.
Do they have a stuffy nose?
I don't know. But I guess that makes sense because when they're eating, like right here, they don't ever have to get up and take a breath or anything. So I'm guessing that's just because they're breathing strictly through their nose.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, that's super cool.
That is.
Okay, well, I know that horses can run really, really fast, Miss Steph.
Can they run as fast as the ostrich? Remember the ostrich we learned to run very fast.
That was like, what, 45 miles an hour?
45 miles an hour.
Yeah, well, these are going to be able to pass the ostrich. They can go 55 miles an hour.
Wow, when I'm in a car, a lot of times the speed limit says speed limit 55.
Yes.
So a horse could go on the road.
They sure can go on the road 55 miles per hour. Can you imagine going that fast on something?
No, not a horse.
But you know, if you've seen movies, you can see them if they're out on those large prairie areas, or like you can watch them run like that.
Very true.
And that they are booking it. They're going fast.
They are. I thought it was just the movie, but they can really run that fast.
They really can.
Well, in order to run that fast, they have to have very strong legs.
They do.
They have strong legs, and at the bottom of their legs, their feet are like hooves.
Oh.
So they're really tough.
Okay.
It's made out of the same stuff that our fingernails are made out of.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And sometimes some horses even have shoes on their hooves, and they're called horseshoes. And they're shaped to go around the outside of the hoof, so it looks like a U.
Wow.
And these hooves, if you've ever heard a horse walk down the street and you hear the click, 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 click.
Yeah,
click.
I've heard that before.
Yeah, could be their hooves.
Almost like a tap shoe.
Yeah, when you have tap shoes, you have a little metal piece on the bottom, and that's what makes the sound. Well, that's what makes the sound on their hooves, because the horseshoe is a metal piece.
Oh, wow. Well, you know, normally when we think about a horse making a noise, we think about it making like the neigh, like that kind of thing. Okay, well, horses actually have 3 other distinctive sounds that they make, which Miss Steph and I did not know.
No, I did not. I thought they just neighed.
We did not. So I did learn sometimes you hear them snort. That sounds kind of funny.
That's funny.
Yeah, like pigs, like a snort like that. But theirs is actually breathing out of their nose. So the snort's not sucking in like we would if we were going to try to make a pig noise.
Yeah, if we snort, we kind of
theirs is blowing out, and depending on the length of the snort or how quick the snort is, depends on whether they are happy or whether they might be a little nervous or anxious about something.
Wow.
Yeah, so the way they snort, they communicate with one another to tell each other how they're feeling.
Wow, so even the snort has different sounds to it.
Yes, yes. And then there's another one called the whiny.
Oh, we're kind of whiny when we
Right.
don't feel good or don't want
Yeah.
to do something.
We're like, oh, I don't want to do that.
Yeah.
Like that kind of thing. No, that's not what horses do. So their whiny noise that they make is actually for them to call in long distances. So they will hold out a sound that's really, really high, and they hold it out and then it goes low. And that's to tell horses that are far away from them to communicate that, hey, either I need your help or I need you to start coming back or I'm not okay.
That
Yeah.
is so cool.
Yeah.
So they don't need a phone. They
No,
can just whine.
they definitely don't need a phone. All right, last one is a knicker. That's a funny.
Knicker.
Yeah,
That's a funny
that's
word
a.
too.
I mean, when I think of knickers, I think of like a type of pant from a long time ago.
Yes. Yeah.
No, that's not. That's not what these are. So that is with a closed mouth, and it's kind of in the back of their throat, and they make these really just short, sweet kind of sounds. And honestly, is to tell you they're happy. Hello, nice to meet you. It's the way that they make you feel like they're comfortable, like when
How
they're around you.
sweet.
Isn't that cool?
So when you
Yeah.
come up, that's the noise you want to hear a horse to make because you want him to
Right.
be happy
You want him to be
see
excited whenever
Yeah.
you're around. Yeah.
Well, I also found out that they have great memories.
Oh, wow.
And they can remember people and places for a long time.
Wait, when we learned about the hens
Yes,
had great memories too.
they did.
You taught us about that with the hens as well. So we're learning that animals have a lot of the same characteristics as we do too.
They do.
Yeah. I wouldn't even think that a horse could be able to have a memory.
Yeah, I guess
Yeah.
I've never really thought about it.
I hear you. Okay, well, baby, you might have seen around here, and you might be thinking, is that a baby horse? Where we're at today, though, they have a miniature horse, which is so cute. We'll definitely get some of that footage for you to be able to see them too. But that's not a baby. That's actually a full-grown horse. It's just a miniature horse. But baby horses are called foals. Foals. And they, Miss Steph,
Who is this noise?
there you go. Those, if they, the baby foals, like a baby, our babies when they're born, you have to cradle them, right? You have to cradle, be careful of their little heads. Not baby foals. Miss Steph, they are up on all four legs within hours of being born.
Wow, it takes our babies like a year,
a whole
to
year,
start walking.
I know. No, right up within an hour. They're right by their moms and trucking along and moving along on all four legs.
Wow, I have learned so much about horses. They are amazing animals.
They are amazing animals.
But they're not just for pets.
No.
They also work.
They do.
Because they are so strong. They can be very hard workers. They can pull wagons and they can help farmers and they can do a lot of things. Even cops, some policemen ride on horses.
They do. I've seen that before.
I have too.
Yeah.
And if you think about, maybe you've seen in pictures or in movies a long time ago, we didn't have cars or tractors. So the horses would take the people where they needed to go, or they would pull a wagon with the family in it, or in the fields, they would pull the farming equipment behind the horse because they didn't have a tractor to do it.
That's right. Which, I mean, makes sense because they are strong animals.
And fast.
Strong and fast animals. Yeah. I mean, that makes sense that they would be used for more than just looking at and being pretty. They are fun to ride. If you ever get a chance to do that and you want to take horseback riding lessons or something like that, they're really, really fun to be on. But you see how strong they are and why they were used for things like that.
And very beautiful.
Oh, they're so pretty.
I've learned so much about horses.
I know.
A lot that I didn't know, especially that they have 3 different
noises that they make. Well, you see their little ears that are sticking up back there? So their ears are right on top of their head. So, you know, a lot of other animals, like doggy ears, lay down, things like that. Well, horses' ears stay straight up. Miss Steph, guess what their ears do?
Well, I know they hear.
Oh, they hear. And they don't just hear right where they're at. Their ears rotate. And they can rotate halfway around their head. They can't go all the way around, but they rotate halfway around their head so they can hear from the front all the way to the back.
Wow.
Isn't that cool?
That is cool. Can you imagine if our ears could move around our head?
Yeah. They have great hearing. So they're able to hear all sides of their heads.
To help protect them.
To help protect them.
That is amazing. I've had so much fun learning about horses.
Me too.
Because I knew they were beautiful and that they were fun to ride, but I never knew this much about them.
I didn't either. We're excited to be able to show you up close some of these great things about horses.
Yes, we hope you've enjoyed learning about horses today.
Absolutely.
So before we go, let's practice our letter and our sound.
Okay.
H says
as in
horse. One more time.
H says as in horse.
And we want to go show you some of these horses.
Come along
with us.